Once you finish the installation, next step will be to set up your workspace. Usually when you install Kali for the first time, the resolution will be very low, as you can see. So I'm just going to show you how to set up your workspace, and then you can change it the way you want. When you open Kali Linux for the first time, you have a menu here where most of the tools are there, and we have a bar on the left part of the screen where you can launch the major program, and down here you have to show all the application. Those are some shortcut, exactly like Windows, and you click here, it will show you all the application. But also, if you are not able to find whatever you're looking for, you can search here, you can type whatever you want. So you can run setting, or you can type setting, and setting in Linux look exactly like control panel in Windows. So all options related to change the colors, the resolution, the mouse, the sound, everything is here. And we can go from display. This is the desktop that we have so far. Click on it, and you can change the resolution for here. Now it's very low, 600 into 800. You can change it to something higher. For instance, let's take this one and click on apply. And as you can see, it's bigger. If you don't like it, you can revert and change something else. So we can go change, for instance, this one, and click on apply. And so on. So you can choose whatever size you want. This will be the first step to change your display to something more suitable for you. Then actually this is quite big, but you are getting the point. Since most of the command and most of the tools that we will be using will be used from a terminal, where you right click here and you open a terminal, and you can from here type the command. Also, this terminal size and the font size need to be changed. If you are okay with it, fine, but if you need to change it, you can go to edit, and then you can go to profile preference, and from here you will see that you can change the color, the background color, the writing color, and you can even change the font, any font you like, and you can change the size. So this one is like 12. Let me make it, and select and close. And as you can see, it's bigger now. So my point is that the workspace can be changed easily, and actually it's very similar to Windows. I mean, you can even change the background. You can click on background and change the picture on the background, the lock screen picture. So just navigating around and start configuring your workspace, because actually, you'll be spending a long time working there, so you need to have a comfortable environment. So this is how to set up your workspace in Kali Linux.